Hello, Abshen Mashaka Manabana. Thank you very much for joining me on Nkanelo Gingirikani. My name is Mandla Gingirikani. This is your show, this is our show. And I'm with Lady SHIKS.
Aye.
Mipuki.
Mipuki menjani.
Ikona. Lady SHIKS. Why do you call yourself Lady SHIKS?
Amen butana vitra mina guys. Mina donzo gift shikwambani. So my brother shikwambani forgive. Bangvitana SHIKS. Everyone calls him SHIKS, as in like shortcut here, shikwambani. Shikwambani is too long. So bangvitana SHIKS. So as we were deciding, okay, stage name shame utagorin. I'd like to say, okay, maybe DJ Dimples. Then kuna DJ Dimples lo ngateka vitramina. Mara okay, angateka ngo anangante. So
is it because you are Dimples?
Yes. So my brother was like, okay, why can't you just call yourself Lady SHIKS? Because you are a lady. Look, I don't want to lose my identity. So my brother was like, okay, cool. You can call yourself DJ SHIKS. Then I was like, but I'm a lady. I can't be Shkwamban.
Yeah.
Then I'll be like, okay, Lady SHIKS.
Yes,
you
Lady
know?
SHIKS. Lady SHIKS. Oh, SHIKS, you can shake it, shake it. Wait, that piece of man, I can't like. Okay, look, Lady SHIKS Donzo. La Nkanelo Gingirikani, like a zingy. General Minister Mbalula Wakumi man, like a zingy.
Yes, the most famous village in South Africa.
What is the best thing about growing up in a village?
Kulela village in being a village champion is everything.
Yes.
Because Panbele village in our Melela guys, Mata pusha. Maybe it's because we wanna uplift. Logo wanna village ya khale le mukuma kubana ba imagine nata sheshi vanhu va aka tindlu, everything is cheaper. Ku borwa mati mara nsiza no humelela ku nga borwa mati mara no vula ku
borwa mati
wa borwa.
Well, mina umadangwini, so there's no need.
Okay, yeah, Mara, yeah, yeah, something like that. Like,
maybe we push a bar, like Makamata.
I remember kuna Nicholas, Wana comrade Kevin.
Oh, Nicholas, yeah, Nicholas.
So, Superman, Unkuman, push a bar and suka, Kaya near Martin, Atame Kualaka Jan. Kunjane Johnson, forget Kunjan. I won't forget. No, no kappa Martin. Kappa push a bar. Yeah, if you don't mind, Anna, go to if you don't mind. No, if you don't mind.
Oh,
no mind the push.
Yeah.
So push, hey, that's the disadvantage.
I was thinking about Makala again. I was about wash that pipe, you know what? Mam nominate about Kumvala Metanga Kashimza, if you could stand my But you were almost there.
Yeah, I was almost there, and I was ready.
So,
ready.
You've been DJing for how long now?
Roughly 9 years.
9 years. And then,
okay, so like DJ, I was a teenager.
Yes.
So, I'm growing from the girl that I used to be to the woman that I am.
What's that?
So life is simpler than Karluani. And it's still and at the end of the day, she did not the followers.
Exactly.
Everyone was crying, but we voted. And I'll be like, no, the right time will come.
Yes.
And all that. So as you grow, you learn and accept, man.
Yes. Guys, look, Shimza. She was supposed to be playing on that lockdown house party in a channel. Oh, so I am nominating lady. She's now one of I represent. Maria, your time is coming, and now you are doing Capricorn FM. What's happening there? Tell us about it.
Okay, Capricorn FM. I think they got me on Facebook. Then they called me. They were like, "Hi, SHIKS, are you available? There's this other Friday Alive party." The Friday Alive party shooter as in like fanana lockdown party, but you're not Facebook and on air Capricorn. Okay, I was like, okay, cool, let me go. Nia, I went there as a Tonga queen, you know me, and being Tonga, they loved me. Right on the spot, after recording my set, they were like, are you a resident DJ? Yeah, any other station? I was like, no. They were like, okay, cool. I would love to offer you a resident DJ Lanwa.
Wow.
Then I was like, oh, okay, how does it work? Should I travel and all? Because I am a busy person,
sure.
Natira and all. So you
listen
understand.
To that.
So you understand, I can't go there every time and all. They were like, no, you can just send in a mixtape. And I was like, okay, cool, I have no problem. Then they gave me the arrangement. I went there. So yesterday, which was like Friday the 7th, one phone Thursday. It was on Wednesday.
Yes.
Bago, are you available this Friday? I was like, yeah, you're off and all. Then they were like, it's a presenter show you want.
You did a show?
Yeah. Tolo.
Wow.
So Bako Friday Fiesta, you'll be alone, as in like you'll host the show.
Operating the decks.
Yeah.
Guys, you look daily and I'm a chippies and a just as a snack.
Yeah. So I went there. Lokonfika Lani. They gave me a script. Okay, they prepped me before.
Yes.
But okay, this is what you should do and all that. You'll be taking calls, you'll be doing this and that. I don't have experience. Logos Shikaka presenting. And it's around the level like
but besides like what do you do?
Roman figure one. Look on DJ, I was in varsity and BSc water sanitation.
Wow.
Bachelor of Science in water and sanitation. So I am a science kid.
Wow.
I work as a plant operator. Ni chemistry and all. So Natira number 2 ni running nato vitamin DJ and cooking.
Yes, as you can see here,
I love cooking too much.
Okay, talk about cooking. What have you prepared for us here?
It's just wings, guys. Wings and
just
chips.
Wings.
Then there are 4 shades of wings. Kuna originally, like, okay, plain.
Which one is that? Is this one?
This one is plain.
This one is plain?
Yeah. This one is sweet chili.
Sweet chili.
Then this one is crispy.
Crispy.
Then this one is barbecue.
What do you call these small tomatoes?
Cocktails.
Okay.
And
your lettuce.
Yeah, you see, for the color.
Yes.
Oh, we are garnishing.
Yes, it's garnish, darling.
So yeah, basically that's what I do. I always have 3 things to do in life.
And you enjoy it. I see you enjoy it. And also love your job. Like your science job.
I'm even enrolling for honors degree, masters until look on just stage name so lady SHIKS, Dr. SHIKS.
She is a graduate and she's about to be a doctor.
So I do have passion for science and all. So I'm boring like that.
Tell me, but what could be Zingi? Most of the time is the Minister of Police, of Transport. Minister Fikile Mbalula, who always refers to the village. This is where we are right now.
Yeah.
So, growing up here, tell me, growing up in a village and you becoming a DJ and a female DJ, one of the few in the province. How is that like?
I'm a village girl.
Yes.
A serious one.
Nakubona mbele na xibelani.
Ngiyosaseka mara I'm a village girl. So, I was telling my other colleague, I was like, guys, I have to go home, and when I go home, I need to prepare a meal using fire, like firewood. She ninga veka la ansheka ngigezi or oven hinzilo.
Nashibona.
Ishibona nja.
Shinamusi.
So yeah, like, okay, it's nice to have young people bakulanguta as sesidonzo, and I like it loko vanhu lava ntivaka in a personal level. Kunga lady SHIKS. Mandla, you don't call me donzo when I lady SHIKS. But then people who lava manga ninga kula vanu bona na lava banga kula ni babona, they call me sesidonzo. I interact with them. I don't like being treated like a celebrity. I mean, on that
note, I'll get back to like how you started the DJing thing and everything. Mara, you always post yourself on Facebook pictures when you have the weave, when you don't have the weave on. Tell me about that struggle of the weave. As a woman, especially during Women's Month.
Guys, when I'm Lady SHIKS, I'm this.
Yeah.
When I'm Donzo, I'm just...
You take it off.
I wish I can, but then, you know. So, yeah, men son randa kuba mina.
Yeah,
then ni randa kuba van lava randa kukunibona ni rien.
The reason I'm asking that question is because so many people are struggling with their own identities, you know, like to be who they are. They're forgetting that there's nobody else who's going to audition to be who they are. Only you can be
Let me tell you something. And it's someone can when people will be like, when are you allowed? You're so different. It's blah blah blah. Why can't you just be like this? I was like, guys, God created me like this. If I'm gonna try to be someone else, then I'm not doing justice to the person God created. Loko menga be mina, then ni onela shkwembu, guys. Don't you think I'll go to hell for that?
God will question you. Lady SHIKS, I gave you this personality, and why did you bring it up?
Why didn't you bring it up? That's why all the time even on radio, everyone will be like, guys, she's so bubbly. Are you sure I didn't drink something before? I was like, guys, I'm loud like this. This is me.
Oh my gosh, I remember when I saw you the first time on Van, because the verbal engineering night, Lee was going to Maraj na Chavi again community hall. I saw you there playing, and I was like, oh, I loved you. Like, oh my god, I love this girl.
Anyway, there before my performance, so like, what will you expect from you? Like, me, you just expect me.
Yeah, and she did deliver, trust me. You know.
Thank you.
So tell me, coming back to DJing, what inspired you to start being a DJ, and how did that journey start? Okay,
you see where we are shooting right now?
Yes.
Where we are shooting, a tavern.
Yeah.
This tavern, I grew up like busy. Unfortunately, COVID and all. And thank you for the owner of this place to allow us to shoot here. One thing, la kuna tavern, one street. When you were asking for direction, you'll be like, I'm in a tavern. I was like, Brad, there are 3 taverns. Which one?
Only that one.
Which one? Like 3 taverns in one street. You need to choose. Like mentally, you choose which song would you like to listen to at the moment. Then which one would you like to listen at the moment? And men randango radio kuingisela radio again. So
like people talking on radio and then playing music and people calling in.
Yeah.
Me and you.
Was more like TV waste my time, but yeah, I do watch TV, mara I love radio more. So that thing akunkulele village in ashkoko ndawini ku busy kuna radio dinaru. And if you think you can play loud music, forget. I'll just sleep with 3 radios on and sleep.
Would you study while music is loud?
That's how I passed my matric in this street with 3 radios.
Same here.
So and again, if mono abba excuse yako, mina I couldn't study because guys ini lantama kona kuna huwa I couldn't make it because the tavern atin onela brah me the tavern tin endlin. Look at me now. I am
a
from
science graduate and also a DJ, resident DJ for Capricorn FM, by the way. So it's not just, you know.
So then again, there is no other motivation. And besides that, before you move Elalanoa, I was born in Makuba village. My father.
Makuba,
yeah,
50 kilometers from here.
It can't be Zanin. It's Guyana.
Oh yes. Oh.
Yeah.
Mbaula.
Yeah.
Makuba,
so I was born there, and my father had taverns.
Okay.
So anzaka yindlu lekaya amahlweni le tavern. So you understand.
So you're the tavern DJ.
I used to play tavern music before I grew up.
What is tavern music? What is tavern music?
I don't know. That's what they used to call it.
Is it Bolo House?
Okay. Yeah, but I didn't play that.
Yeah, but it's. I feel like I get what you mean. I just don't know.
And I still jump to bolo music.
Yeah.
I love that. I love that.
Dancing and everything, but I want you to tell us about your attire. It's really Shibelan Lishwan. But what Shibelan Shile fashion masculine. Wangon Shimbala
As a cape, yeah.
Wangon Shimbala, Mrs. I've never seen that. Where that?
So my attire, she ended Kate looks.
Okay.
So I actually ended like 2 years ago.
Okay.
So
that was in 2018.
2018.
Yeah.
So I was actually talking to Kayla, my makeup artist. Marala, I'm an makeup artist. So my Kayla is always doing my makeup and all. So I was like, I have an interview. I don't know what to wear. And she was like, why can't you just rock Shibelani and you do your shorts and something, then rock up my grandmother's accessories. Shout out to grandma.
You're looking so
good. So Kayla actually decided on how I should dress.
Yes, nice. I love it.
Thank you.
And it's Women's Month, so you have to give it.
Plus I'm a Tonga queen, so Tonga queens have to look Tonga all the time.
Yes. Because when I was thinking, Puri, who can I have on the show for that when we're celebrating Women's Month? You came, to my mind, and also other people as well. Even though some said no, but you said yes, I'm coming. So tell me, what is the significance of Women's Month?
Women's Month, I think you celebrate Babasati. Celebrate Babasati. We go through a lot, and sometimes we allow it. And also this celebrating women thing, I think it will teach us to be on our own, to teach us to be independent, to teach us like it's okay to leave when it's not working. Stuff like that. There's a lot of things that a Women's Month domestic violence. It's okay to leave.
Yes.
Be on your own. Be strong. Being strong doesn't mean if you're walking and where you are going, it's not worth it. So you can move back. Find an alternative. You see.
True. Because I know when people think of Women's Month, like you said, it's always about domestic violence and gender-based violence, actually, like all the struggles that the women are facing. But what are the positives that that you've seen? I mean, you are a good story yourself as a woman. That is, you are being celebrated here on Mandla Gingirikani. Mara, in social positive, because one of us at one more during Women's Month.
Guys, people are winning out there. People are winning out there business-wise. For instance, sorry to feel like I'm advertising something on your show, but last year I had a show called Tonga Queen Diary. It was it's more of like it's my diary as a Tonga woman.
Yes.
I want to show you all my friends or most of my friends in the music industry around Africa, because Lesotho, I've been there, Swaziland, Mozambique. So I meet people every day. People, I think they have nice talent to bring at home. So last year I did that, And I didn't do it because I'm not going to profit or in.
No.
I wanted to empower women. It was that show, Akuri women only line up. Ako baba satin tsena from different music background, from different attires,
cultural, whatever.
Everything.
Yes.
So
nice.
see, let's say endela ku inspire one start one. It is possible.
Yes.
Ku inga celebrate wena as one sati. For instance, Kate, the person who did this Shibelan, is the first Tonga woman who full of shop or Ashafsa Shibelan, Tonga accessories and all that. So
where is she based?
Again.
Oh, Lagian. All right. Maybe I can also get my own Shibelan.
Yeah, you can actually. Ni bonena lwa wa mlungu berman Adam.
Okay.
Kate, by the way.
Okay.
Hey, Kate, look advertise of
yes, I'm coming for my Shibelan, you know. Maybe I can get it double price.
There's by the way, I came with a cake because yesterday it was a big show for me. So that cake Nsobo Quinera baked that cake for me just to say congratulations for the show that you had yesterday. Thank you, my friend. Then I was like, okay, cool, we'll use it as dessert after you eat this and all. So with that saying, Baba said we don't have to wait for
wow, so this is a cake.
We don't have to wait. If I know Kumantiru, if I know you should work. I have a lot of friends around me. I've been on my own. I've been independent since varsity. So you understand, you need to be independent as a woman.
And who baked the cake?
So
oh, nice. Yeah. And then this cake, it's not for your birthday, right?
It's not a birthday.
Just for a dessert.
Saying a dessert, guys.
So tell me, you learned how to operate the decks, right? Who taught you that
nice
skill?
Question. In 2010, Lokonia Varsity, I told you I loved the radio. I used to listen to people. 2009, Capricorn FM. Then I used to listen to that station too much. So, Lokonia Atef, don't they invest?
I sent my demo there, but you know.
Okay, sorry. So, maybe you're not the target market. Throwing shade, I'm joking. So, Loco, you could 2010. I went to varsity. It was my first year. I got freshers ball. Wow, that was live. Nbona the DJ. Nbona in a crowd didn't watch to Saku and then Carolo and Nina Jala. Ala ban look but celebrate Bachela and Banchela. Okay, I didn't have weave by then, but Banchela.
And it can be very irritating if you're not used to the crowd. Right?
So I was like, wow, I don't think I belong here, guys. I belong there.
Oh, on stage.
You know, on stage. And like I was like, oh guys, I belong there. Then I started in song like visual DJ. At Varsity. I need download it. Not download that. I started mixing it
on a computer.
On a computer, because man got a laptop by that time.
Okay, obviously. I mean, like.
It's okay.
I'm kidding.
It's okay.
No, guys,
sem free uri. It's okay kubeblero avshetin mara ungafeli avsheti. His song.
Yes.
So I'm one of those people. I don't get things easily, but at the end of the day, we get them.
And you're the pusher.
You know. So look, need to do a laptop. Then I try to find people. And people are vavanuna. And when you approach one DJ, first of all, they'll just look at you, be like, maybe you're in it for booze, or maybe you're in it for fame, or maybe you just want me because I'm a DJ. Then they will try to take advantage of you. va la ku tlela na wena munhu a ku dyondzisa kan'we a heta ku okay a hi tshami laniwa i swi vona ku se ku sungula ku va touchy na yini I would be like no I'm gonna work myself to the top not sleep my way to the top. So after that ni decide ku let me save money from my bursary ni tisa xikolweni xa DJ. Then I saved money from 2011 2012 2013 near Ashkolin Shak DJ a Joni, a Soul Candy.
You did that?
Yeah, I enrolled DJ 101. Then I came up.
Is that the school by DJs in
Soul Candy?
Soul Candy, oh, yeah. Soul Candy.
So okay. I went there. It was supposed to be a 3 months course. And I told them, guys, I'll attend every day, then learn, then leave to school. January, then I went there. When I came back, okay, now you are fresh from school. Graduate. You are fresh from varsity. You don't have experience. You don't have a job, but you are marketing and all that. So that was another challenge. I should practice pen. I don't have the equipment. Same story. Someone to touch you, someone to do this and that, and it was irritating until I knocked at this other door, the guy called Mordecai Wale Pulkwan. That guy had equipment, he had passion for music, but he didn't want to be a DJ. He just liked doing the thing. Yeah, it was on. By the way, he was doing his master's degree in science by that time. Wow. So I was like, cool, Mordecai, can I please practice? I have a gig at home. Can I practice? I'll give you $100. Did you have a gig? Yeah. Oh, I thought maybe you were just trying to bribe your way up. It was a free gig, by the way. Oh, yeah. Obviously. So okay, fine. I went there. If you can, Mordecai, can you please help me? Then Anfuna, look, Anfuna, no, really 100. I go, no, I don't want to 100 rand. Go and buy tin fish. Then we laughed about it. Then after that, he was like, you can come back again when you want to practice and all. Then I came back home. I got my first gig, Keita Endla fashion show. Okay. A color cash randa the fashion 99 and invite then Nita. Look on Nita and Fikani. Hey, drama mara it was okay. Yes. So that was my first gig, and thank you so much for that opportunity, by the way. Then after that, I went back to school. Mordecai would have sound babuka sound there, they don't have a DJ. Mordecai would be like, dude, famba. Famba na yena tigigini. In 2013, yeah, it was 2013 again. He had a friend by the name of DJ Bambo who actually connected me with Capricorn FM for the very first station. Not
Bambo Johnson, the one on. Okay.
DJ Bambo. Then
the guy.
Ani atira kwala aku resident DJ ya kwala. Then Ani jela cool. You can come and play at Capricorn FM. Then Mordecai afambana mina and all. Look, afambana mina. That's when everything started. Botovela FM, Banvitana, Botef FM, Bo Bush Radio, a lot of them. You see.
And it became the DJ SHIKS that we know today.
Yeah.
Wow. And that's a nice story. You know, every person that you see at the top, there was a humble beginning, and DJ SHIKS, she's the testimony to that. Wow. So tell me, kuna so who is so no, on a serious note, do you have someone that you see right now? Because I know people are looking at you like, you know, are you available?
I'm not available, guys.
Why not available?
It's been busy, guys.
Come on, look at you.
I know. Hey.
So musically, people could be like, okay, she's a DJ, so does she has music like your own album or single that you are streaming out there?
I do have a song.
Okay.
featuring UG called Nilangewena. It was released in 2018. It was also nominated at the awards the GCR ka Best Xitsonga House. Unfortunately, it didn't get the award, but whoa, nomination, man, it's something.
It's something,
you know.
Yeah. And actually, I like nominations because I feel like it means that someone is watching you. Yes, and they are recognizing your work. So,
even last year I was nominated ka Lima Awards, Limpopo Music Awards, Best Female DJ. I didn't win the award, but I nailed it.
Yes.
Hey, I'm so second Jan.
That's how it's done. That's how it's done. And then, so education-wise, you want to do your masters and whatever. Do you want to be a lecturer?
No.
So why do you want to go all the way?
People would say reading is a hobby. Guys, I hate reading.
And you're doing the most difficult career. I mean, what do you call it?
There's
field.
a difference.
Science is.
Man, there's a difference between studying and reading. I hate reading. Maybe the person who will actually tell me or convince me to read this book. If my son writes a book, I'm definitely gonna read that from start to end. But hey, I hate reading. I love studying.
You like studying because you wanna.
Yeah.
Your son is your best friend. So tell me more about him.
Renzo. Renzo, guys. One.
Very
so
lucky.
that thing I underscored me shock shouter. Mara, there's a part where I'll be like, Renzo, freezing yana. Every mother has that skill.
Yeah, I know that look as well.
Then okay. Mara, she is a very, very good son, man. One or two says, Nkarunga kumako ya town. Mama line. Mama bana malani bata kushabela kuba kum. Okay. I have a documentary I wanna mean. If I have to write a book about someone,
it will be
him.
Your son.
So that thing I record that pronounce I'd love them teach him. I'm recording everything.
Yeah.
I'm recording everything. Though I'm a busy person, but like I make sure Mama okay, cool. Then being a mother is just something, it's a blessing. There's a point where I felt like my life I but looking at him, man, I felt like God.
Wow.
God.
I thank you for realizing that, you know.
And another thing, before I was a mother.
Yes.
Being a mother, I used to take free gigs like nobody's business, guys. Like I'll take gigs as long as I'm on the line up for exposure. Lona kunkumawana then banbitana gigini. I cannot leave my son for a free gig. I'm sorry, guys. You need to pay me. So I feel like if at this age,
you'll still be doing free gigs.
Besides that, I wouldn't even be responsible. I wouldn't be saving for future and all. It would be like me looking good, slaying, driving a nice car. People should know SHIKS is here. But don't say responsibility.
Talking about DJing, what's your worst experience of being a DJ, especially as a female?
A female. Okay, number one, I told you about free gigs. This other day, I travel. I won't mention the gig because it's kind of personal to me. Someone from Guyana in Bukeka gig, and it was a free gig. Me and my sister Clara, they travel from Polokwane to Guyana, and I low hike. You know, when you hike 50 rand, you will be saving. Then we travel. Let's stop and go and on. The guy was drunk. He stop winning and
even though
and he was speeding, guys. He was speeding, head-on collision. Car number 1, car number 2, 3, it taxi. You roller so lanes having lane. Yeah. Like 13 people died. My sister and I survived. It was a worse experience. Shouldn't take a malembo kuni donza ku driver oni susa fear ku mfaneni the driver ineshe orin. Then we went to that gig. I told the guy, dude, I was in a car accident.
Just
right now,
few hours ago,
he was like, will you be able to play? I was like, okay. It didn't even ask if I'm okay or not.
Yeah.
But it's okay. Then I was like, yeah, I'm coming to a gig, it's fine. I'll come and play. Nia. Loko Nia, number 1, akala inapea anirmenimo. Number 2, I was not paid. Number 3, Nia vatlevanga nyikina opportunity ya kuntlanga. That was sad. It was very sad too, Melele 2013. It was very sad, and I don't come in bill, it's fine. It's life.
And the good thing, I hope those experiences of not being given a chance to play and being called a minimo is no longer happening to you right now.
No. I'm a headliner. I'm a headliner. Then after that, another experience that happened like recently. It was in 2018. I was going to a gig and the taxi.
Sure, Lady SHIKS.
Yeah, so lokoni can't the taxi. I went to the taxi rent.
Yeah.
Aguri last taxi. If near I'm not gonna mention still.
Yes, just for the sake of, you know.
Then okay, minania kuswani na kona, but I'll take you there. No, I don't mind, I'll pay. And no problem. People who worked with me, people who knows me, I don't mind paying. Even if you are my friend, I should pay you for the services that you
render.
Yeah.
True.
Rather you say don't pay, because I know the feeling of not being paid for great work that I do. You understand? So nifambi ni niya kwale agiginle ni lokonfika kumwana akurna a river. Sort of a bridge, a river. The guy pretended as if his taxi is not okay. Then I go in and I don't even know anything about cars or taxis. By the moment and all, the guy tried to rape me. I managed to escape in Fularvanti and I ran and all. It was traumatizing. 2018. And you wearing like this? So I don't know, just because ni mention maybe they think I'm a hooker or in. But still, even if someone is a prostitute, you don't have the right to rape the person.
You cannot have sex
if
without their consent.
I say no, it's no.
Yeah, no means no.
You understand? So that's something that, and not to mention people trying to hook you up, you wearing like this, you looking like this. It's for my own thing, it's for my own confidence. It doesn't mean you should rape me. No. You understand? So those are the things that I feel like she's protecting Kashona. Maybe in your coming, mean revealing love kale new melele accident in Kanya Gigini. You know?
Wow. We thank God that Lady SHIKS is still alive and she was never raped. She was not raped during that night. It could have been worse, you know, because rape is a serious issue in South Africa. I know that some people use it, you know, as a vengeance against whoever, but there are people who are getting raped in South Africa, and it's a very, very big issue.
If you're at the taxi rank, you feel like you are safe.
Hello.
Hey.
Wow.
But then it's life.
Yeah, surviving all the things that are there as challenges as a woman. Is there an album coming up, like something
Singles.
on the pipeline?
Singles with good people. Yeah, I'm not gonna mention because I'm sure announcer solution she was solid, but 3 singles
Okay,
Yeah.
but tell me, who would you want to work with, DJing industry or house music industry?
Busiswa.
What?
Mm.
What?
I love her energy. I love her energy.
I can imagine both powerhouses on stage.
Now, child Nashranza Mara.
Yes.
Ah, Busiswa.
Okay.
Busiswa, since I've been a fan.
Okay.
Like, yeah.
And what about Xitsonga traditional music? Have you ever thought of maybe collaborating with a Xitsonga traditional artist and make kind of a house meet Xitsonga traditional music kind of sound,
nice.
you know? Have you ever thought of that? Like,
It would be nice,
is it
Mara.
even possible?
It is possible. I think if kuna Xitsonga, not saying Xitsonga as in like a...
Like, okay, I know.
And I know you're not favorite. Mara, I do listen to them. All of them, I do listen to them.
Like, which one is your favorite?
Ntane ava favorite. Mara na yingisela.
Okay.
Mara yey, wa batiwa ma Russian army.
Yeah! Those are my boys.
Bashasha,
Yeah.
you know that kind of Tsonga vibe.
I know. It's called
Yeah.
Gaza dance or Tsonga electro. Some people call it.
Yeah, those ones.
Yeah.
Ay, laban ngatera na.
China.
Oh, and I'm a fan ya DJ Mfundisi.
Ah!
Hey, DJ Mfundisi in a vibe.
DJ Mfundisi, is it because of the energy? Because that guy has energy for days. Yeah. Like,
I love his
that guy
energy.
can rap and rhyme about anything at
So
any time for any beat.
If I balabane, it can be but boimbelela Xitsonga kuri hip hop. I love hip hop, by the way.
Yes.
I love hip hop. So if aguna balaba sign free but the Michaels, there's a lot of them man.
There's a lot of Tsonga guys who are pushing music out there, and we really celebrate them. Well, because it's Women's Month, I thought it would be nice to have Lady SHIKS and celebrate her as one of our own women who's pushing hard in the field where it's saturated and populated by men, and you are there, you are pushing, you're doing well, and congratulations. Have you ever been nominated for anything? And like like something bigger, like someone.
Hey,
Or do you have aspirations like that?
Hey, I'm not into awards too much.
Okay, good.
But I there's a lot of things that I would love to achieve la South Africa as a musician. And antataka kuba still no continue na my show Tsonga Queen Diary. Nubuka na deadline letkulu na ini nubuka vumakadzi. I love her energy too, you know.
You and power women.
Yeah, I'm into that vele men ranzaban baku vele ku melele na vuton'wini bya voho and they are pushing too much.
Tell me, have you ever someone maybe ask you if you are lesbian? Have you ever come across that?
I can't be.
No, I'm asking you if someone has ever mistaken you for that, because you come across very tomboyish, very powerful, very strong, you know? Like did you grow up with men, like surrounded by
I have
boys?
a lot of
Yes.
brothers. I have a lot of brothers. By the way, man, one of 24. So we are 26 at home. I have 13 brothers and we are 13 sisters.
Who's this man?
Mchaisenga, Shikwambani yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Na HW makubele batsale irisimu Shikwambani.
Oh.
Ebona papa me. So vele I grew up with my brothers. I might have that tomboyish whatever. Mara I'm not so no tomboy. Yo,
She's a lady. Talk about it, Dalmakuela, Kokonome Pela.
Na me kwa me mara I mashaka me no.
Yeah. Just to, you know.
Hey, I mashaka na me kwa me mara for real.
No, for real.
My mother abajina na HW Makubele.
Okay. Oh, really? My mother, Abachina Kokwan Ilas Baloy.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
What's next?
Okay.
All right.
Oksalayo, I have a lot of brothers and you don't.
Oh, you're Bora.
Oh God.
No, you know what? Let's cut this. You know what, guys? You look the opinion of the chicks. if you want to get hold of Lady SHIKS in terms of bookings, how can they contact you and find you? Where can they find you?
Social media pages, Lady SHIKS, a page, Rame, a page, fan page. Then Twitter, Instagram at Lady SHIKS DJ, Neleka YouTube at Lady SHIKS DJ. Metamta about the video. Unfortunately, yeah.
So, you like showing your boobs. Tell me about that.
I told you, when God gives you things, you should show off. Hey guys, there's no way I can. I can't.
You can't even hide it. It's there. I mean,
it's there. If something is there, you're not bragging. You just have it.
It's who you are. It's what you have. You know. Lady SHIKS, thank you very much for joining me on Mandla Gingirikani. I really appreciate it and I love you so much.
Thank you.
And I want to wish you all the best in your career of music and DJing. And thanks for bringing us some food. You know, it's tasty and it's nice, it's yummy. So after this, we're going to Lilinga.
Okay, afamba mina niyabona ngonanga. Lava bafamba bayada. Me we start to play them. I'm coming at all. Hey, tati deru.
Okay, so I did tap away.
I'm still, even if it's not Tupperware, you see this plate, you can't download it on the internet.
Whoa, okay, right.
Okay, thank you so much, Nkanelo Gingirikani. I hope you love this interview. And then I can support them going on me no Mandla. WhatsApp on but then I hope this one will inspire someone.
Yeah, you know, me and Lady SHIKS, we can talk all day, trust me. So, thank you very much, guys, for joining me on Nkanelo Gingirikani. Till meet again next time. Legaramina. Ekas Dors, Kitsulikli Yora, Amtasuntatora. Salute. Mega Titiman. You want me to think about that?
That part.
Okay, right.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Wow, this is good. Thank you very much.